Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super fun. I mean, I hope it is at least. This video is in collaboration with Keto Steve, and pretty much we just want to do something fun for Halloween. So we each chose 5 random ingredients for the other person to use and to create a recipe out of. I have not looked at the ingredients he sent to me yet, so I am a little bit nervous. I hope he didn't give me anything too weird. Like, I have no idea what he chose, but I am excited. So yeah, I'm just gonna look at the ingredients he chose and then try to come up with a recipe that is Halloween themed. Hopefully this goes smoothly and I can come up with something that actually tastes good. Fingers crossed. If you haven't checked out Keto Steve before, he is awesome. He has a blog where he has a ton of keto recipes. He also does weekly Instagram lives with different people in the keto community. After you've watched this, head over to his channel, give him some love. Okay, so I'm just opening up the email from him now. All right, these are the 5 ingredients he has given me. Pumpkin, dark chocolate, almonds, avocado, and mozzarella. Okay. Alright, so here's the game plan. I'm gonna head over to the grocery store, make sure I have everything that is on this list because I'm missing a couple of them. While I'm doing that, I'll try to brainstorm what I'm gonna make, and when I get back, we will get started. Alright, so here are all the ingredients. What I'm thinking is we're gonna make brownies. I've made brownies with avocados and with chocolate before, and a little bit of almond meal, so we're gonna try that. I don't really know how I'm gonna incorporate the mozzarella, but I'm thinking the pumpkin, I had this pumpkin, I wanted to carve it, so I'm gonna scoop out the inside and make like a pumpkin puree and maybe put that on top of the brownies. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. At this point, I would say the batter is looking pretty good. Next, I'm just gonna add in the eggs and the almond meal and a little bit of vanilla. Yeah, I don't know what to do with the mozzarella though. Do I put a little bit in? Oh, I have to think on that. I have to think on it. I really don't know how else to use the cheese, so I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit in and kind of hope for the best. I mean, it's just dairy. pretty much just like hacked at the inside of this to get some of the pumpkin out and then cubed it. I really didn't want to destroy this pumpkin because, which way does this fit? Because I want to carve it. If I wasn't carving it, I would have cut it in half and then cubed it. This will do. I'm just gonna boil this for like 20-30 minutes and then throw it in the blender and we'll see how it comes out. So here we go. This is the finished product. I think they came out pretty good. Yeah, the mozzarella cheese was kind of like you can't taste it in it. So it's just in there. If you're gonna try to recreate this, I would skip that ingredient. But other than that, yeah, they taste really, really good and the consistency is good. They're nice and moist. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you next time. Happy Halloween. Bye guys.